Hello, so today's question is, how sustainable are the energy access projects being implemented in African sub-Saharan areas? This comes after the spread of the coronavirus in different countries. Therefore, majority of the people are being urged to stay indoors and others are under lockdowns. An example being Uganda, whereby after they reported their first case of the coronavirus, their president urged them to be indoors, that is under the lockdown, for 14 days. It's very disappointing to find that the people are still suffering due to the lack of firewood in their places, due to the lack of the means to go outside and fetch firewood, in the fear of spreading or contracting the coronavirus. This is after many projects there on had been put into place, that is by both the local organizations and international organizations. Does it mean that the people do not commit themselves into following these projects, or is it that the models put in place are not working? This takes us to the question that why are the people in the rural areas, in informal settlements, in the refugee camps are still going after their traditional means and not putting into place these access projects? The reason could be, one, because of vandalism in these areas, and also it could be that these projects are very expensive for the people to acquire, that they cannot afford them, therefore making them depend on other projects that are still traditional. The other question is, why are people still depending on fossil fuels, yet we have the solar projects every now and then? One, it could be because these projects, once the people in charge do their work, that's it. If this period is over, that's it, and the people move on to other projects, and they lack to train people on how to undergo these projects, how to put in place, how to take care of them. If one day they go to a place and they tell the people on how to do it, that's it. Therefore, the people lack the knowledge of such projects. An example being, it's nowadays you'll find people, they do not know the meaning of bioethanol, biogases, solar panels, briquettes. People do not know what these words mean. Does it mean the people are not doing their work of looking for information, or is it the project managers are not doing their work of spreading the word about these projects? Well, according to Esther Wanza, sustainability evangelist and also a renewable energy expert, she says that the people in charge of these projects should, one, ensure that the works are of high quality, that is, the quality is good, it can last for a longer time. They should ensure that, for example, the solar panels, once they are installed, they can last longer, and avoid bringing about problems such as the electronic waste, which is harmful to the human health. They should also ensure that whatever they do, it's for the benefit of the people they are installing these projects for. Therefore, once a project is started, it should be of high quality. Once they are installed for the people, it should mean that after this, the people should check on them. Since we find that a project that was supposed to last for about 20 years, it's only going for just 2 years. Therefore, the people are suffering, therefore leading others to opt out of these and only prefer the traditional methods, such as the use of firewood. If the people had made them known of these projects they are on before this coronavirus, could they be suffering right now? Who is to blame? Who is to take the blame for this? Is it the project managers? Is it the community at hand? Or is it the two people at hand, that is the project managers and the communities? For more information about all this, please remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell to know when next